You guys, thank you so much for taking time out of your day to join today's webinar. My name is Eric Richardson. Today I'm going to discuss how you can get started in a great industry that nobody really knows about. Now, this isn't going to be your typical webinar where I just go on and on about my life story and I give you A to B and you're looking to get from A to Z, but these webinars, they don't really give you that information. They get you all hype, and then they don't provide something that you can go and do this business. I'm actually going to show you guys the ins and outs of this business, and then I want you to do some research and go see about doing this. But also to speed up the process, you can obviously learn how to do it through me. So let's go ahead and get right into it, guys. So my name is Eric Richardson. I've been doing this business for a while now. I've been doing it for it's a little over 3 years now. Started back in 2018. When I graduated college, I went on to play pro in Europe. And when I was there, I had a lot of time. It was just practice, playing games, things like that. I had a lot of free time. And I was interested in getting into real estate, doing business. And I stumbled upon this. And, it's pretty much changed my life. I've been really utilizing this and Airbnb to build my wealth. And we'll go ahead and get into it, guys. So the money-making juggernaut, it comes with multiple streams of income. The main focus today is going to be surplus funds, which is assisting people after foreclosures. So first, we need to identify what occurs at a foreclosure. So when there is non-payment for taxes or mortgage, the county will hold an auction for the foreclosed property. So for example, if somebody didn't pay their taxes and they didn't pay $6,000 worth in taxes, the county will hold an auction so that they can get that money. Or for example, if somebody has a mortgage for $125,000 and they don't pay that, that is going to be the opening bid. Now, it doesn't happen immediately. It's not like, okay, if you miss 1 year's payment, boom, it's automatically going to be foreclosed. This is multiple times of not being paid. All right, so this doesn't have to just be a home. It can be a land lot, it can be a condo, a wet slip, or even a commercial building as well. Anything where they have taxes or a mortgage can qualify for this at these foreclosures. Now, like I said, they're gonna have an auction so that the county can get what was owed. So the opening bid of the auction is the amount that was owed. Now, since these properties do have value, the properties usually sell for a higher amount than what was owed in taxes or what was owed in the mortgage. So the difference between the opening bid and the final sell amount results in what is called the surplus amount. Okay, it's also referred to as excess proceeds as well, or an overbid. And for example, you own a home, you owe $6,000 in taxes, your property is worth $100,000. The county holds an auction. $6,000 will be the opening bid. The property then sells for $50,000. There's going to be a $44,000 surplus that these individuals do not know anything about. So here you guys can see I say they send out a notice in the mail, but it goes to the last address of record. The last address that they have is the property that just got foreclosed. So these people don't even get notified. So here, nobody knows about the surplus. Since the county cannot get in contact with the individual, no one files a claim and funds are left in the county's possession. All right. And the good thing is you can do this in many states. Now let's go ahead and take a look. You understand the concept. Now let me show you the proof in this business. So here, this is a return to sender. This is a letter in the mail notifying this individual that they have surplus funds. So this is something that you can use. Hey, the county's been contacting you. They've been sending out some letters in the mail to assist you with this, and they've been getting return mail. So I'm contacting you to see if I can assist you on filing this claim. This right here, this is a notice of surplus funds from the tax detail. This is directly from the county, guys. This is a legal form that they send out. This is $173,000 that's available in surplus funds, and nobody has filed this claim yet. Now the county, they send this information out. They also send out the claim form as well. So they pretty much have all the information here. And like I said, guys, this business is public records. All of this can be found online. Let's go ahead and take a look. So here, you guys are gonna have to be able to learn how to do some further research. I can take care of that for you in my course, but this is just a little example on what happens. Return certified surplus mail, return certified surplus mail. They have the surplus claims. You can do the surplus letter. You can have tax deed documents, bid verification, everything. You can find all of this information online. This is free public records. Now these counties, some counties specifically in Florida will give you the information. As you guys can see here, they have all the information, notice of surplus funds, how to claim, unclaimed surplus funds. They're literally giving you all the information. They have a whole section on this, a whole department that handles tax deeds. This is public information, but people don't know about it. And that's the power of this business, is you can get all this information for free. Okay, here, this is another list. It's telling you the surplus balance. As you can see, they have some, pretty decent ones. And you guys can get anywhere from 15 to 30%, sometimes more, sometimes less. But this is where you're gonna get all the information. Now, this business doesn't just work in Florida, but Florida has the most transparent information. Here's another county. They have all the information for you. Cover letter, form, proceeds list. It's literally giving you the information. Not every county is the same. Here you can see this is from that Collier County. Their surplus report is different than the other one. If we go look at another state, this is California, San Diego and California. They have a whole section on excess proceeds. So they're telling you about the business. They have the final reports of the sale. They have the claim form. They have instructions. They have, complete sections to give you information on this business. This right here is Clayton County in Georgia. Sometimes the lists are going to be difficult to understand to the naked eye, but I actually know how to read this list, and I explain how to do that in my course. But as you guys can see here, we have a large one, 166,000, 109,000, 117, another 109, and the list, they keep going on. There's multiple individuals, companies, you can help them as well. You can help so many people in this business. This right here is from Dallas, Texas. As you can see here, it says excess funds from the sale, large amounts as well. You just have to know how to read it. Case number, you're gonna have to do some further research. So the benefit is, guys, you can do this business in other states. You don't have to just do it where you live. All right, so who can do this business? Anybody, essentially. You don't need no previous experience. You don't need any special licenses or certifications. You don't need a college degree, and you don't have to be an attorney. Now, some states do require an attorney. In some situations, you might need an attorney. If you're helping a deceased individual, it will be very beneficial to have an attorney. But you do not have to be one to do this business. You can even be a convict and do this business. So where can I do this business? You can do this business in any state, and the business is completely remote. So I'm pretty sure you guys have seen the deals that I've done. I haven't met these individuals face to face at all. Everything is done completely virtually online, making calls, doing research, email, following up. All you need is a phone, a printer, and internet, and you can do this business. How much time is needed? We all want to know, okay, well, if I'm gonna commit to this, how much time is actually needed? You only need 2 to 3 hours per day. It's something that you can focus on while having a regular job, and you can have great returns. You can bring in great additional income that potentially could lead to your sole income. All right, and then how much money do you need to start? Realistically, to start this business, you can do it for less than $300. Majority of that money is gonna be to establish your business, opening an LLC, opening a bank account. But when it comes to finding the information, making calls, you can do all that for free. You're gonna need to pay for a notary, for printing, things like that. But other than that, this is a low-cost business that you can make a lot of money. So what comes in this course? It's gonna give you the step-by-step guide on how to run this business. You're gonna learn how to find leads. You're gonna get a call script. You're gonna know how to provide proof to somebody, because a lot of people are gonna think this is a scam, but there's certain words and certain ways that you can contact these individuals to allow them to understand that you're an expert, you're professional, and you're definitely somebody that is fully transparent. You're gonna learn how to file a claim. You're gonna get the documents that are necessary. You're gonna learn how to find an attorney. You're gonna learn how to contact the county, how to send them email. There's gonna be email formats. Also, it comes with mentorship. It comes with partnership. So if you're looking to get into this and you haven't established your LLC yet, you can partner with my company, make calls, and we can close deals. And also, there's a community. So this is a great community for my members. We have a Facebook group. We do live calls. We do Zoom meetings with attorneys, with CPAs to go over this business, to get better in this business. and it's just great. If you guys are interested in learning this business, I want you to do your own research. Go ahead and search surplus funds, excess proceeds, and you will see that this business is 100% legit. It's out there, and you can get checks like this. You can get results like this, and you can get results just like my students.
The first deal I got was it was an older lady. It was for her brother. He passed away. I was preparing everything, trying to get ready, for the script. And then as soon as I didn't expect her to answer, I didn't expect first call, first customer. I did not expect her to answer. She answers hello. I ain't gonna lie, my heart dropped.
Yeah.
I took a little breath. I'm like, okay.
Went through the script. Perform. Exactly.
Yeah. It was time to perform. And then went through the script. It was smooth.
Yeah.
Telling her everything, how it works. She was like, oh, I had no idea my brother had this property, this and that. I had all my documents, all the mail, where it went to. So I had all the supporting facts.
Yeah.
Sent it over to her. She's like, oh, yeah, this is great. Yeah, I definitely like to. No money up front. Sounds great.
So I emailed the county, to touch base with them to see where my claim was at. And they got back to me. This is tax deed surplus. This is for Lee County. And they're pretty much saying that my check should be in the mail in a few weeks.
Exactly. That's what this business is about. You're helping others, and you got paid, really good for that as well.
I did. It was, and it felt really good. It did. I mean, it feels great just to, still be talking to the guy, and he's just ecstatic.
It's the modern day.
So yeah, dude, you're doing a great thing, Eric. I really mean it. The information you give away, I don't know if people realize it, but it is gold, man. It's just gold.
Thank you, man. I appreciate that, honestly. Yeah, obviously.
All the time and effort and everything that you do, and it's just amazing. So you don't come across a whole bunch of people that I feel there's tons of value out there, but you just condense it, man. You kept it very
straightforward. Yep, step by step. I'm going to give you the documents. I'm going to tell you what you need. Sure. These students have been able to follow the same system that I use to close on deals and bring in additional income. If you're ready to get started, make sure you go ahead, sign up for the course. And if you've stayed this long and watched this and you're pumped up, use the code TAKEACTION, all together, no spaces, and you'll get $100 off. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I look forward to helping you out.